everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use the eraser tool in Procreate. So you probably know how to use the eraser tool for its original purpose. All you have to do is go to the eraser, then erase whatever you need to erase. Let me change the brush size and erase whatever you need. But that's not what I'm going to show you today. Today I'm going to show you how to use the eraser tool in a really cool way. Okay. So let's pick some brushes that are really fun. So I'm gonna pick, let's see, let's do this brush right here, Opticon. Okay, now let me resize it so we can see it. Now let's draw and see. There we go. So we can kind of see the texture showing up in our lettering. It looks so cool. Okay, let's try another brush. Let's try maybe Storm Bay. See how that one kind of looks. Ooh, that looks cool. It almost looks like ocean. Sand. Nice. Okay. Let's try maybe marble. See what marble looks like. That's interesting. Okay, now let me show you some of my favorites. Let's see. Okay, so some of my favorites are right here under elements. So I love oceans. Right here. Just looks like a beautiful ocean, and because this is blue, this looks really cool. Okay, and then driven snow is really cool. I like it a lot. It's so pretty. Okay. Crystals. Crystals is really fun. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Depending on the pressure that you're putting down depends on how big the crystals are. Clouds, oh my gosh, clouds is probably my #1 favorite. I love it so much. It's so cool, especially with the blue. So cool. Okay, so as you can see, this eraser tool isn't just for erasing. It's used for so much texture. This is the spray paint one. That looks so awesome. Okay. So under spray paints, that one was flicks. And then you can use other textures like rough skin. Just like that. Pretty cool, huh? And there's so many different options for textures with all of the different brushes that Procreate already has in their brush library. So the possibilities of what you can do with your eraser tool are endless. So thanks so much for watching.